Hello, my name is MD Ashraful Alam. So this is my code demonstration of Canvas LTI application. So first of all, I initiated my new project with the following command: django admin start project. Then after that, I moved into the project directory using cd my project name. After that, within the project directory, I created a new app by executing the command python./manage.py start app and app name my app. Then after that, to configure it accordingly to the models I run, I gave the command python.manage.py migrate. So after that, to ensure everything was set up correctly, I started a development server using the command python manage.py run server. Then I installed django ssl server to enable https. Then I made some changes in settings. I made the this line and I commented this line, and then in settings.py I gave the uh, PyLTI config. I gave the consumer key and secret key. Then after that, in Django settings, I included my app SSL server in the installed app, uh, which is my apps.myapp config, and the SSL server, which is this one. Then I configured the URL patterns in my apps url.py. Then after that, in the main URLs of my project, I included the app URLs. From app URLs, here I can see this is the thing I have added. Then after that I configured the LTI tool in Canvas. For that, I went to the my course instructor page. This is my course. So here I went to settings, then apps, then view app configuration. Then from that, I created this one LTI app final. I created it by clicking that app. Then in settings, I added the consumer key and the share secret key. Then I gave my launch URL address. Here I gave also the custom fields that will help me later to retrieve the user ID and course. Then in if I will go to the dashboard, in my course, here I created one module LTI app final to show the result in my website. Here I gave a title and the URL to launch to see the result. Here that is the thing that I have done in my instructor web page in my course. Then after that, I did some changes in views.py. So here what I have done, I have created a view in Django to handle the LTI launch. So in views.py created a view called index to handle the LTI post request. So first of all, what I did Canvas API configuration. So I got a Canvas API token that I got from my instructor web page, and I took it and I pasted it here. Then I gave the Canvas API base URL here. Then I created some function here to handle the course ID, user ID, the list of assignment they have done. Um, So I created LTI post request, and so this function processes post request from canvas. It also retrieves the course ID and user ID from the request. If either is missing, it returns a 400 error. So then it fetches the list of users in the course. For each user, it retrieves their assignment submission using the Canvas API. So that the data is course ID, users, and their assignment. Yeah. Then there is a helper function I have used here. So it fetches the list of user in given course using the Canvas API. Then it also retrieve assignment submission data for a specific user in the course. Um, so after that, in my app urls.py, I already defined the launch URL that I have already shown. Also, I set up the app's URL patterns. Here I have given the, yeah. Then I for start the Django development server, to see the request. I run it by giving the command python manage.py run server. Here it is. So what is happening here after doing all the things currently correctly? Sometimes the list is showing and sometimes the list is not showing. It just loading and loading. So if I go here and I click here, it just keeps loading. Sometimes the list is showing, sometimes it's not. I don't know why it's happening. I tried a lot, but I don't know. It just keeps loading. I don't know what is the reason. I tried so many times, like several times, to debug the things what is happening here, but I'm unable to do that. But yeah, it's showing sometime and it's not showing. It's most of the time it just keeps reloading and reloading. I don't know why. So I just followed all the procedure and steps to complete my project. I did everything. Yeah, I retrieved the course ID and user ID also. Yeah, so that is the project I have done. Thank you so much.